Quality control, QC, is a system of procedures designed to ensure a product or service consistently meets predefined quality standards and customer requirements. It involves inspections, testing, and corrective actions to maintain a desired level of quality. In manufacturing, QC might involve inspecting finished goods for defects, testing raw materials for quality, or verifying that manufacturing processes are following established procedures. In service industries, QC could involve monitoring customer service interactions, checking for errors in data entry, or verifying that processes meet customer expectations. Quality control is also a subject of mechanical engineering, which involves good finish of products manufactured, testing raw materials to predefining the scales of manufacturing machines. Engineering analysis involves using scientific and mathematical methods to understand and predict the behavior of systems, devices, or mechanisms. It's a critical part of the engineering design process, ensuring safety, reliability, and efficiency. This analysis can involve various techniques, including simulations, calculations, and experiments, to evaluate and optimize designs. There are many types of analysis carried out in engineering, such as structural analysis, mechanical analysis, thermal analysis, electrical analysis, chemical analysis, failure analysis, the application of scientific analytic principles and processes to reveal the properties and state of the system, device, or mechanism under study. In project management, quality control requires the project manager and/or the project team to inspect the accomplished work to ensure its alignment with the project scope. 15. In practice, projects typically have a dedicated quality control team which focuses on this area. Quality control separates the act of testing products to uncover defects from the decision to allow or deny product release, which may be determined by fiscal constraints. Quality thus precisely defined using devices such as plug gauges and ring gauges. However, this did not address the problem of defective items. Recycling or disposing of the waste adds to the cost of production, as does trying to reduce the defect rate. Various methods have been proposed to prioritize quality control issues and determine whether to leave them unaddressed or use quality assurance techniques to improve and stabilize production. Analysis is the process of breaking a complex topic or substance into smaller parts in order to gain a better understanding of it. The technique has been applied in the study of mathematics and logic. The field of chemistry uses analysis in three ways: to identify the components of a particular chemical compound, to identify the proportions of components in a mixture, quantitative analysis, and to break down chemical processes and examine chemical reactions between elements of matter. For an example of its use, analysis of the concentration of elements is important in managing a nuclear reactor, so nuclear scientists will analyze neutron activation to develop discrete measurements within vast samples. A matrix can have a considerable effect on the way a chemical analysis is conducted and the quality of its results. Analysis can be done manually or with a device.